In less than 6 months, this YouTube channel has made over $120,000 with 8 million views. They are averaging more than 1 million views a month and they are making more than $20,000 a month. So let me show you how to actually steal their content strategy and how to actually create a similar channel like this in just a few minutes using AI. So now with the power of AI, it is possible to model this kind of channels and create a similar channel next to this, talking about similar topics, not exactly the same, but similar topics with similar story style and visual style. So let's first check what kind of channel is this. Obviously, this is a faceless channel, and when we check the style of the videos, we see that it's about discipline, it's about motivation, it's about personal growth, and the style of the videos are something unique.
There's an ancient system created by Zen monks in Japan that produces exactly this kind
As you can see, all of the videos are in this painterly style that is really attracting with all of these effects and subtitles and with a calm voice.
20 push-ups, strategic, planned.
It's wonderful. As you can see, it's a great motivational video that we all are familiar with in terms of context and topic, but delivered in a unique way with using a unique visual style. So in order to create a similar success with a new channel in this niche, what we need to do is really simple. So we go to any of the viral videos of this channel or a channel like this, anyone that you have selected as your reference channel, all right? So I take this video as an example, copy the link of this video, then I go to my AI tool, Direct AI. So Direct AI has got the capability of creating similar videos to the viral videos that you have seen on YouTube, just choosing a few settings, and it's gonna create a new video in that niche, okay, with this topic that you have selected. So a new video all starts with a new idea, so a new video topic, right? That's why we go to the ideation section of the tool. When we go to the ideation, we paste the link that we have copied from the viral video, and then we click on generate ideas. Now what it's gonna do is it's gonna create my new viral video ideas that can actually go viral, just like the example video that we have seen here. So the example topic was the scariest level of discipline you've ever seen, right? And when we check the example topics that have been produced for me, unlocking ancient secrets to unbreakable focus, Zen meets modern life, transform your habits forever, the surprising truth about willpower and how to harness it. As you can see, great examples of wonderful viral topics, viral ideas for this niche. So the AI has analyzed the topic, analyzed this video and hundreds of other videos in the niche and came up with similar video ideas. So what I want to do is I'm just going to continue with this one, for example, and the next step is going to be choosing the video generator for our video. So when we check the example video, we see that there's not animations at all. It's just a simple video with changing images in every maybe 20 to 30 seconds with some zoom ins, okay? So that's why what I want to do is I'm just gonna continue with the normal video generator, which is doing something like that for this kind of video. So if I were to create intense animations, I could continue with the Ultra Video Generator, but there's no animations at all. It's just images, and I don't need to sync the images with the voiceover. That's another part. So it's just images stacked one after another. So it doesn't matter that we use one image for 20 or 30 seconds. It's just about the script, right? So I continue with the normal video generator. Now what I want to do is I want to choose some extra settings for my new video, like for my new video's length, right? So for the length, let's go with something like maybe 20 minutes. The example video was also around 16 minutes. So a 20-minute video, a new video will be okay, I think. So for the voice model, I can continue with a normal one. For the voice artist, I've got various options here. For a video like this, maybe a calm voice, George can do well.
To Direct AI.
Yeah, I'm gonna continue with George. For a background music, I can have various options, as you can see. For a calm video like this, maybe meditation zen, as you can see, can work. Great example for a video like this, synced with the topic and theme of the video. So I set the volume to 2-3%, save it, then I continue with the number of images I want in the video. So if I were to change images in every 20-30 seconds, for a 20-minute video I can use around maybe 40-50 images, right? So that's gonna be enough, I believe. For the image style, I can use a built-in style, but I want to upload my own style because I want to catch that example visual style of the video, okay? So what I want to do is, I'm just going to go to a few scenes in the video, in the example video that I took as a reference, and take some few screenshots from the different scenes in the video. For example, this scene, also this scene, and maybe one more here. So I'm just gonna give these screenshots to my AI tool so it can analyze that visual style and adapt it to my new video, okay? That's gonna be the idea. So it's gonna analyze that vital visual style and use the same visual style across all of my images in my new video. So for AI model, I can continue with the normal one or premium one. It's up to me. I believe a normal one also works well for a visual style like this. If it was more intense stuff, like with higher animation, with intense animations, and maybe a bit harder style, like an anime style in terms of visuals, I could use a premium one, but I think a normal one should also work well, okay? So for effects and options, I don't need an animated intro. If I were to see that there is an animation in the example video, I could use an animation, but there's no need at all. So for the filters, I'm gonna continue and select a filter just like the example video. I see that sparkles, that as you can see, some kind of stars around the video that gives that old feeling, that documentary feeling. So maybe I can use something like that. Like here, maybe this is gonna be too much, but maybe something like this to have that similar feeling for my new video. So I can review the images to make sure about the quality of each scene and in each image, and maybe regenerate the ones that I don't like. So I highly suggest to select this option. I don't need to review the script. It's going to be written in the example style of that viral video. This style, the tone is going to be analyzed by the AI and is going to be adapted to my new script for my new video. So I can use some zoom effects for dynamism. For captions, I can continue with captions. The example video has got some captions. For the captions, I can customize it as much as I like. For example, uppercase if I want. For example, let's make it uppercase. For font type, I can make it any font type I like. Let's make it Inter. I can play with the font size. I can change the color. It's all up to me. So after selecting these, as you can see, it's gonna cost around 3,700 credits, which is pretty good, considering that you get 75,000 credits with the base plan for Direct AI. So I'm just gonna continue and click on generate video. Now what it's gonna do is it's gonna write my script, create my images, put everything together along with voiceover, captions, and give me a final video that I can download and upload to YouTube. And our video is ready, let's check it out.
There's a type of focus that makes people stop and ask, how do you do that? And today you'll learn the exact system to achieve it. Have you ever watched some marathons? Books would be...
As you can see, we've got the example visual style, like Paintree style. We have got the zoom ins to bring dynamism. We've got the captions. We've got the visual style consistently across all of the video. Talking about that example topic that we have selected from our video, modeled from our viral video that we have took as a reference. So as you can see, it's how easy it is to create a new video and implement modeling in just a few clicks using AI. If you have got any questions, let me know right below. And if you want to try Direct AI, this AI tool, I'm gonna put a link right below this video. You can access to the tool with an additional 20% discount code. So that was it for this video. See you in the next one.